Did you guys steal my bananas?
No!
Aha! What's that? My tummy!
I'm just kidding.
What a day! Did you guys steal my bananas?
No!
Aha! What's that? Aha! I knew it! You did eat my bananas! You can't run forever!
Hang on, buddy!
You little web thieves! This isn't over! Perfect! A mud bath! Just what every superhero needs! Okay, sarcasm noted. Ever get the feeling we are being watched?
You think you can do that better than me?
Traitor! That's the biggest banana spider I've ever not wanted to meet. Who needs super strength when you've got 4-hoof drive? We did it, buddy.
I swear you do that on purpose.
Trust me, it is perfectly safe.
Technically, still safe. Okay, I'm either hearing a festival or a villain's Spotify playlist.
I'm surrounded by party animals. Okay, let's not panic.
And that's what I call getting strung along.
Okay, so the landing could use work.
Perfect! Jungle spa treatment.
Okay, so the landing could use work.
Nice!
Perfect! Jungle spa treatment. You get grass, I get fruit. Balanced diet. Yeah, superhero metabolism, my hoof. Breakfast canceled again. You get grass, I get fruit. Balanced diet. Yeah, superhero metabolism, my hoof. Breakfast canceled again. Ta-da! Bridge complete! Trust me, I am a professional.
See,
Totally fine.
maybe they're friendly?
Cool! My horse joined a band. No sudden movements. And that's what I call a sticky situation. It's just a frog. He's not venomous. Well, now we're both amphibians. They think they can fool us?
Nice.
You're enjoying this, aren't you?
Nice.
They think we're the weird ones. Weird ones. Congratulations! You just started a horse language trend. According to my map, this way saves 10 minutes.
Fine. Long way it is.
We earned a snack. Why do I always let you pick the restaurant? Looks like a spider god symbol. You did it! The ultimate horse sense. Schmo, we look cool right now. Don't ruin it.